Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on a very hot weather pattern that's going to continue across the Arklatex as we continue to watch same area of upper level high pressure now sitting over the southern Rockies. This ridge going to weaken here during the next couple of days. We will see a disturbance kind of move towards the lower Mississippi Valley that will give us a quick shot for some scattered showers and thunderstorms very late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Here's a look at Robin Sawyer Futurecast. Again, tonight looking mostly cloudy. It is possible that we could see a little bit of rain over the northern sections of the area late tonight, but the vast majority of the high-res models not showing much. The majority of the rain that we're going to see is going to be very late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Futurecast probably a bit fast here with the scattered activity, but you can see we will see the chance of rain continue through tomorrow night, and then Thursday we'll see the mix of clouds and sunshine and mainly dry conditions across the vast majority of the area. Now, Futurecast yesterday during this update was very optimistic at seeing quite a bit of rain. Is continue to back off. Here's the very latest on its projection as far as rainfall basically through Thursday. You can see most of the area less than 1/10 of an inch. It does have that swath of 1 to over 3 inches over the northern sections of the area. That is probably a bit overdone. Some models do indicate we could see some scattered locations over the northern parts of the Arklatex that pick up more than 1 inch. You could see the blend of models. If you take all the different models, blend them together, you get this output, and you can see it is showing 1/2 inch to 1 inch, mainly over the northern sections of the area. Amounts further to the south, basically in that range of 1 to 3/10 of an inch. So a possibility you could pick up 1/10 or 2 of an inch of rain, and it is also possible that we could see a few isolated spots pick up over 1 inch during the next 48 hours. Now, longer range, we will quickly settle back into hot and dry. The upper level ridge, which is going to weaken, allowing for the chance of rain again late tomorrow night, possibly into Thursday, will re-strengthen right over the top of the Arklatex heading into the weekend. And it's pretty much going to stay here, maybe settling a little bit more towards the east later next week. What this means is we're going to see highs stay in the upper 90s to near 100 probably through all of next week, and overnight lows will stay in the upper 80s to upper 70s to lower 80s. And of course, when you factor in that heat with the humidity that we typically see around here during the summer, you get heat index values that will likely stay in that range of 105 to 110, possibly more than 110 here during the course of the next week and a half. So don't expect any relief from this heat anytime soon. And for the 4th of July, it looks very hot, as you'll see in the 10-day forecast here in a second. But tonight, partly cloudy. We stay warm, lows mainly in the mid to upper 70s, 79 in Shreveport, 76 in Texarkana, 75 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, again, we stay hot. Very late in the day, we'll see a possibility for a scattered thunderstorm as daytime highs will be in the mid to upper 90s, 98 in Shreveport, 96 in Texarkana, 97 degrees in Marshall, and 98 degrees in Natchitoches. And then the 10-day forecast shows several days where triple-digit heat will be possible, basically from this weekend through next week, as we'll see overnight lows again pretty close to 80. Not much more as far as rain, minus a very small chance on Sunday. Notice the 4th of July, high temperature 102 with a partly cloudy sky and dry conditions for the 4th of July. So again, it does look like a little bit of rain on the way potentially for Wednesday night, possibly Thursday for a small part of the area, but don't expect much with totals over most of the area less than 1/4 of an inch. And then we turn hot again as we head towards the weekend.